How do you eat soup? Yeah?
Yeah.
I like the chicken too. There you go.
What do you call that?
The Master Boogie.
You call it the Monster Boogie? What's that noise called?
That's called the monster.
That's just called the Monster?
Mm-hmm.
Daddy's getting you serious. You even rolled up your sleeves. Wow, Spencer. That's some
Nice and slow.
serious soup eating. Spencer, did you eat Chinese food with chopsticks today? Yeah.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness. That's a lot of noises for such a little guy. Alright.
You want me to help you drink a little more of the juice?